Hi guys, I'm the founder of Autoblogging.ai. This is a quick video and a very short one. So once you subscribe to a plan or try it out, you will be given a redeemable code which you can redeem in the dashboard. The code can be redeemed anytime, it doesn't expire. If for a particular month you don't need the code, you can keep it with you and redeem it later on. But once used, the credits will expire after a short while. Let's get started. Once you place an order on Autoblocking, you will receive a mail like this, your redeemable code. Pick up the code from here. Here's your purchase code. Please follow the steps. It's quite simple. You need to sign up on dashboard again. We have kept the billing and dashboard account separate so that if you have a team, you can simply use one billing account, subscribe to multiple plans, or get a couple of codes for each account in the dashboard. Also, having this code system benefits you in a way because if you are going on a vacation for a month or 15 days and you want to use your credits later on, you can simply keep these codes with yourself and then just use them whenever you see fit. So let's get started. So please sign up on dashboard again. And here's a note that says you will need to sign up again on dashboard since accounts on autoblogging.ai are only used to manage subscriptions. You can also create multiple dashboard accounts and redeem different subscription codes in each account for your team. Once in, go to the history tab, which is now credits tab, and simply redeem the code there. So let's get started. Pick up the code. I've already signed up. This is the dashboard dash.autoblogging.ai. You can go there from here. This is the sign up page. Create an account here. It's very simple. It won't ask you for email verification, so it's basically instant. And then once you are in, you can log in. Now this is how the dashboard looks like. There are a bunch of different modes: quick mode, single bulk generation, godlike mode, and so on. Now you can click on the credits on the top right and go in the credits tab and simply paste your code here. Like this is your code. Simply paste it here and redeem code. Now it will show you code redeemed successfully and it will add to your credits, which is basically 11319 now. This was just a trial code of 5 credits. Once you have redeemed the codes and you have credits available, you can start generating articles in Autoblogging. I would suggest you to go for the godlike mode if you love manual stuff, but if you are lazy like me or someone who wants articles like really fast, you should try out the quick mode. And if you go to the bulk generation tab, you can generate articles in bulk, 50 art titles at a time, and you can also bulk generate articles using CSV upload, which is what I love to do, because if I want to start a new site with like 1,000 articles, I'll simply fill out the sample CSV files and you can basically create a topical map with different categories and upload it in one instance. So it saves a lot of time instead of doing it one by one for each category on a WordPress site. These are some free tools as well inside Autoblogging, like just three. And if you go to James do these tools, he has created two more tools like outline generator, which is quite nice, and even finding keywords and entities. Now the integrations is like we support Word. You can also use com.bot to connect with any external API. You can also auto publish to Shopify, and we have two more tools which is for automatic internal linking and automatic link building, which is autolinks.ai and autolinking.ai. So check it out and feel free to reach out if you have any issues.